Hi everybody, I'm Tiffany with Quilt Quarters, and it is Tuesday the 19th, and I just wanted to jump on here and tell you that the sign-ups are going great for our upcoming Cuddle Up with Bernina event. Shannon Cuddle has collaborated with Bernina to create this wonderful event. It is a 2-day event. Lunch will be provided. And you are going to be learning to sew with Shannon Cuddle on the BERNINA L8 Serger combo, which also does cover stitch, and also the L8 serger that both have LCD screens and guided mode to do your transitions from stitch to stitch. They are amazing machines, and we are so excited about partnering with Shannon Cuddle to create this 2-day event. And you will be leaving with 3 projects completed. So you will be sewing an infinity scarf. Oh, what's so nice about having this around your neck to cuddle and keep you warm? This is a wonderful gift to make friends and family. You also will be making a throw pillow with this wonderful cuddle up stuff. Everybody wants to have one of these. And you'll also be leaving with a Luxe Cuddle throw. So all 3 of these wonderful, soft, and cuddly projects you will be sewing on the BERNINA L8 series, L890, L860 during this class. You don't need to bring anything but yourself. Lunch is provided, like I said before, and the class is not until September. But I'm on here just to remind you that we've got early bird pricing going on until next Tuesday, the 26th. So if you call and sign up before next Tuesday, the cost of the 2-day event is $99.99. And if you call in after next Tuesday, the price bumps up to $149.99. So there are still seats left. So give us a call, put your name in the pot, and you'll get to play on these wonderful machines, take projects home. And what was I going to tell you? There was, and we're going to be raffling off some prizes during the event as well. So you'll go home, if you have that winning ticket, you'll get a prize. So these events are so much fun. We love having them, and we love having you participate in them. So call today, get your early bird seat, and we look forward to seeing you. Thanks.